Shenzhen YATTLL Industry Company Limited was founded in 2017 as a brand of healthcare products of Dongguan YATTLL Industry Company. YATTLL, as the associated factory of YATTLL, is professional engaged in R&D, manufacture and service of smart travel, rehabilitation assistance, hardware, etc. YATTLL was born to innovate. We launch 3 to 5 new products each year that meet the consumer's need and comply with the market trends. YATTLL has obtained ISO 13485, IATF 16949, ISO 14001, CE, TUV, ROS, etc. Quality inspection apparatus includes 2 drum test machine, bearing durability test machine, salt spray tester, static strength test machine, pressure test machine, etc. YATTLL is committed to providing society with more technological, convenient, and personalized products through more innovative product design, smarter system solution, and experienced precision manufacturing. Our company integrates the procedures from top to bottom with 90% self-production rate and 100% self-inspection rate. We achieve our commitments to customers for the required quality with our strict standard. In the past decades, YATTLL has become the partner with major global buyers. YATTLL, as a fast-growing brand, has selling its products to many countries. The high reputations from not only consumers but also medical agents are always be the motivation to us. Welcome to call us. YATTLL is open to cooperate and support your business.